Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily find Instagram drafts in 2023. So let's jump right into it. First open Instagram and let's go ahead and add something to our drafts. First tap on the plus on the bottom right here and then go ahead and choose a picture to post. We're not going to post it, we're going to add it to our drafts. So tap on the arrow on the top right corner and then from here go ahead and add a caption. It is very important to add a caption here. I'm just going to add test. Once you're done, tap on the arrow on the top left corner of the screen and then go ahead and quit again. Tap on save draft, and as you can see here there is a draft category added to the screen right here, and that's how we do it. Now let's do that again. Let's quit Instagram, open it again. So we have to tap on the plus on the bottom, tap on drafts, and here you can find your drafts, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.